Hi, everyone. My name is Rebecca Clark. I teach physics and food science. My conference period is first period. I have a degree in microbiology from the University of Illinois, and I've been teaching at Friendswood High School since 2009. My husband works for the space program, and he is receiving an award tonight at Space Center Houston. So I'm going to be there supporting him. And so I'm sorry I won't be able to meet you in person. I'm looking forward to this being a great year. Now that we're all back together again, it's really amazing. I have two daughters, Rachel and Audrey, and my daughter Rachel is getting married on the 15th of October, so I'm really looking forward to that. If you need to get in touch with me, email is the best way. rclark@fisdk12.net. That will be linked on my Canvas page, and all class materials that kids need will be found on Canvas. If a student is absent, they should check the lesson plan for what they're missing, and if something is in the past, all of the past lesson plans will also be there. I send reminders through text for both classes, and you'll see the information there. It'll also be found on my Canvas page. Couple quick reminders. There's a Canvas student app, email if you need any help. And if you have a suggestion about something, please let me know. Again, I use modules for my course in addition to the daily lesson plans. And so all class materials for each unit will be found together. And we hope we don't need Zoom. If we do, there's a link for that just in case. The syllabus is posted on Canvas for both classes. My rules are pretty simple. Have good manners, be responsible, put your phones away when you're doing work. We will follow rules to keep us all safe during labs that we do in class, and that goes for food science as well. All right. So, physics homework about 1 to 2 hours per week. Some should be done in class. 60% of the grade will be tests, 20% will be labs. A category called quizzes and graded daily work is 10%, and then daily work is 10%. Test days will be Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I have official office hour tutorials Fridays from 8 to 8:30. And then the physics department tutorials are from 4 to 4:30 on Wednesdays. I do have a first period conference period. Food science, about 1 to 2 hours per week, possibly outside of class, but most of it's going to be done in class. 60% tests and projects, labs are 20%, and then homework, daily quizzes would be 20%. Same hours for my tutorials. Students always have the opportunity to retest for up to a 70 on any assessment that they take. And so students just need to make sure that they get in touch. I will leave you with this. Work hard, dream big, be curious. If you need help at all, please don't hesitate to ask, because I'm here to help you and I want you to be successful. So have a great year, and parents, looking forward to hearing from you if you have any questions.